Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the default text color in Google Docs. First, open your document and highlight some text that has the color you want to make default. Then, find the text color icon, which looks like an underlined A on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it to reveal the color palette. This is the initial step to customizing your document's appearance. Once the color palette appears, choose the exact shade you wish to use as your new default. After selecting the color, go to the Format menu located in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down options, hover your mouse over Paragraph Styles. This will open a secondary menu with more choices for text formatting. We are getting closer to making that color stick. Now, within the Paragraph Styles submenu, hover over Normal Text. A new option will appear: Update normal text to match. Click on this option. This crucial step tells Google Docs to recognize your selected color as the standard for all normal text within your current document. Any new text you type using the normal text style will now automatically appear in your chosen color. To ensure your new default color applies to all future documents, return to the Format menu, then Paragraph Styles. At the very bottom of this submenu, you will see Options. Hover over Options and then click Save as My Default Styles. This final action saves your chosen text color as the universal default for every new Google Docs document you create from now on. Enjoy your personalized writing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.